Okay, yo, I gotta try this out. Okay, I got some leftover donuts from yesterday. They're Krispy Kreme donuts. It says here to put it 8 seconds, but I don't know, should I put it 8 or 12? We're gonna try 12 because that was in the video. So yeah, we're gonna put it in the microwave. Let's see how this turns out. All right, here we got the donuts. These are the donuts. So we're gonna put these bad boys in the microwave. Let's check it out. All right, there we have it. Delicious. That's just so good. All right. Oh, damn, put 3 minutes. I'll just cut it out. Then later. Final time. Ah!